Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. So today in this video we will see how to assemble all the components of MBOT2. So very first component we have is that encoder motor. So you can see these are two encoder motors which you can find in MBOT2 robot kit. So we'll see total assembly in 24 steps. So see step number first. We have to take these two encoder motors like this. We have to place these two motors alternatively like this. Then next step is that we have to take these wires and we have to attach these wires like this. Second wire also see like this. We have to attach. So these two wires you have to attach alternatively to each motor. One wire is there. So the wire, it has two end, one is the bigger one and one is small. So small end we have to attach to the motors. So you can find these two wires in your robot kit. So motor cable you can call it as motor cable. Next thing is that you have to place case like this and you have to take that two wires above the case from that hole, and you have to put these two wires towards the backward side, or you can say towards M logo. So you have to place these two wires like this. After that, next step, screws. You have to place these screws like this and you have to tight these two motors. So 2 screw for one motor, so total 4 screws we need. So these are 8 mm screws. So M4 8 mm screws we have to take, 4 screws, and we have to tight those screws sidewise, 2 screws from each side. Next we have to attach wheels like this. We have to take wheels, and next we have to check slick tires. So this is wheel hub and this is slick tire. So you have to place slick tires like this, and then you have to attach wheel to MBOT2, again second wheel, and you have to take 12 mm screw to attach wheel. Remember, in mind you have to use star tip of that screwdriver to tight this screw, and if you have to tight the screw, you have to move screwdriver in clockwise direction. So again we are taking 12 mm screw for the wheels. So again we have to attach wheel hub and slick tires from another side also. So with 12 mm screws. Next step, take micro wheel and attach like this. So now with micro wheel, before that we have to take quad RGB color sensors from downward side. See the smiley icon. So remember, in mind we are taking those wires towards M side, means in backward side, and in front. So front we have smiley. So below that smiley we have to attach micro wheel and quad RGB color sensors. So take quad RGB color sensors and attach like this. Place like this above the micro wheel. Okay, so above the micro wheel, firstly you have to stick that micro wheel to the chassis, and then you have to take quad RGB color sensor. After that, next use 8 mm screws for micro wheel. So 8 mm screws we have to use for you can say micro wheel or quad RGB color sensor, as well as for ultrasonic sensor also we have to use same mm, that is 8 mm screws. So take wire, attach one wire to the quad RGB color sensor and take that wire to the upward side from front hole, and put that wire to the left side, and next take another wire to the right side. So like this. So attach two wires and two wires to the quad RGB color sensors, and take those wire in opposite direction, like right wire in left direction and left wire in right direction. From the hole take above side, and next thing, take ultrasonic sensors and attach to the smiley icon like this. After attaching ultrasonic sensor, again we have to use 8 mm screws. So take 8 mm screws to attach to ultrasonic sensors. Next take one more wire and attach to quad RGB sorry, ultrasonic sensors. So left side wire we have to attach to ultrasonic sensor. Right hand side wire we know we have to attach it to the microcontroller unit. Next, take microcontroller unit like this and place it over the wires, or remember in mind, make sure that no wire is below the microcontroller unit. So put your wires from the hole clearly. So keep in mind you have to take some gap in between. Okay. Next, now these three wires we have to attach. Before that we have to tie it, we have to fit this microcontroller unit. So take 25 mm 4 screws and place like this. So after all, attach the last wire to the microcontroller unit like this. Then here also these are two motor wires, so attach these two wires like this at back side. So MCU also you will find make block name here above side. So next, place your cyber pi like this, connect with the connectors, make sure that all components are fitted properly, placed properly. So last step, ready. So this is our MBOT2. So if you have to see how to attach all these components again, go to Play Store and you can download make block application. In that application you will find these steps and this animation, so you can get clear idea how to assemble all these components. So I'll guide you how to go to Play Store and how to download that. So just open Play Store and type make block. Type make block and see, you have to install this make block application. So after opening this application you will find this kind of menu. So you have to scroll to the right side and you have to click on build option. After clicking here you have to download this course MBOT2. So click on that. After clicking on that you will get this animation. So you will get clear idea to assemble each component, how to assemble that. So this is the procedure to assemble MBOT2. So in next session you will see how to play MBOT2 using controls, and how to code MBOT2, and how to connect Wi-Fi with networking and all. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, thank you.